Hi guys. I'm trying to be quiet right now, so I hope the microphone's picking up my voice. But I'm talking pretty much as loud as possible because where I live it is 11 o'clock, and we're on Animal Jam. We're gonna do, and I'm in my bed. So I'm gonna do an inventory tour of my clothing inventory. Who is that? The heck was that? Who was that? Who is a seal? In my chem? The heck? I don't even know this person. But so we're gonna do the inventory tour, and then we're gonna tour the store. So basically, it's like an Animal Jam tour video. My cat wants out. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so we're gonna do the inventory tour first. My laptop gets hot, so, but it is in the plug-in. So what I have, let me move this. Move it over here. My bangs are to the right. Just my right side, this is my left side, just so you know. Wiggle. You can see my Shopkins pillow on the back. So basically, I have a bone tail, a pink one I got as a gift, a moon necklace, a holiday sweater, festive lights. Sorry, I have 2 gingerbread masks. And actually, one of them glitched a while back. Like, I would stand one item and go to the other. Might be this one. Oh, look. I have festive lights, gingerbread wings, gingerbread top hat, icicle horn, gem holiday gift hat, snowflake balloon, you already saw that. I have woven shoes, sparkly shoes, a tutu, more stuffs, scarves, shoes, snowflake boots, holiday knitted sweater, mystical amulet, 2 flower crowns, my gem holiday scarf, arm brace, flip-flops, another moon necklace to go with that one, 3 horned armor, princess necklace, unicorn horn antlers, rare fox hat, non-member pirate sword blue, angel bangs, tiara, leg armor, blanket, and wings. So that's all my stuff. So we're gonna tour a few of the things in Jamal. So let's go. We're just gonna tour Godzilla roleplay. You already basically can see what's in those, but I guess we'll go ahead and tour the stores that I haven't checked yet. So let's tour the good stores. This is a really cool store. I didn't know it was here until a little while ago. So oh my god, wrong window. So this is really cool. Look at these different ones. That's cool. So there's a lot of things in here. Well, we're not going to exactly tour everything, but I do want to take a selfie. So cute. Pet's position, my position, and pet's position. There we go. Alright, selfie. 50 gems, baby. And I like how it actually saved. My bags look awful. Oh god, wrong side. Would you like to save this photo? Heck yeah. Animal Jam 1. Okay. So there's that. Well, we're just kind of touring around Jamal to see what's going on. Mount Shivir. They really need to take that away where that Arctic Fox sculpture was. Dude, I did not ask to slide down that. Wearing my Christmas Eve gift. Oh. Watching television. How'd we get? Honestly, this doesn't record the music. So whatever you hear comes from these headphones on here. I was actually on YouTube. So basically, I'm just like to make videos on this because it's awesome. And I had the rest of my winter break. I'm just gonna fall asleep. Yawn. But yeah, I might be recording a few Minecraft build battles once I practice it a while. I didn't have to transfer accounts because you can't even do that. So I'm just gonna be like, circle, down to you. Love me even more now. That's not useful now. Crap. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.